Welcome back, and we've got something great for you today. The Moto Griso. Not the fastest machine in the world, but not the slowest either. It's a nice, big, heavy, torquey lump of metal that can get from yo to go, not too terrible, eh? But I thought I'd give it a go using the GPS from the GoPro, a throttle twist, and see what we actually could achieve. Not too shabby from what the specs are, a 4.9 with a 5.13. Hey, given it was a pretty soft start, I don't think it's too terrible. I'm pretty impressed. Is the GoPro GPS speed that accurate? Let's have a look now. You can see my dash. There's a big difference between the speeds. 100 and it's saying 90. Normally, GPS would be a little bit slower than the speedo. Exactly like this. Around about 7 k's variance between the actual speed that you're doing and showing on the dash versus what the GPS might show you. But anyway, that was a cool little experiment, little see what's what. Hey, throw in the comments what you think about the GoPro and the GPS and blah 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 and speed. And just for the meantime, sit right back. Thanks for coming. Subscribe, like, do all those awesome things now. Sit back for a minute or two and enjoy some beautiful scenery at a nice, semi-sluggish cruising speed on board the Moto Guzzi. Thanks, and wait till the end. You might even get a little bit of a surprise. That's right, this is back in about 2016. The bike hasn't changed hardly any at all. I may have. The bike does get a nice, good, juicy, gleaming, shine and clean from time to time. Hey, thanks for watching, people. Look forward to the next time. Take it easy. Be cool. Cheers.